So let's go ahead and put the velocity back on. We're watching this one here and this one here. Very strong hook echo and very strong signature right there. And then as we look back here in Eureka, that's what I was talking about. Areas just to the north of Eureka, that's where we see that other one that's starting to give us a little bit of a hook echo. So I wouldn't be surprised to see another tornado warning issued for that cell as it tracks off to the northeast. So we're going to have to watch that one very carefully. Let's go ahead and zoom this one in here towards the Chillicothe, just down to the south of Chillicothe there. I want to again pinpoint some of these roads because this is going over a lot of areas off to the northern Peoria. So folks in northern Peoria, this is getting close to Highway 6 in Knoxville right there, and that's continuing to move off to the north. Here's Allen Road and Highway 91, but there it is. Look at that. Let's go keep zooming in on this, Heaven, and I want to really zoom in and see some of these roads that this thing is moving through right now. So there's Allen Road. Here is Knoxville and Highway 6. Highway 6 is right here, and this tornado is basically, this radar indicated tornado is off to the north. This is moving over the Knoxville Avenue right now, Cedar Hills Drive, just down to the south of you. But if you're near Cedar Hills Drive, you need to be in your safe place right now. And now it looks like we just got a new one. So folks in Mossville, it's moving over your area very soon. Get to your safe place right now. Looking at Cedar Hills Drive, folks in the South Rome area, you want to be your safe place. And again, folks, basically it's crossing over Highway 40. So this is Knoxville Road here in North Peoria and near the Dunlap area. Kind of is that fringe boundary of Peoria and Dunlap, but still, this is a very dangerous area. You want to make sure you are taking things very seriously, especially for folks traveling on Highway 6. This is the exit to take if you're going to Chillicothe. So if you're getting off on Highway 6, you just want to pull over if you're going to be basically heading towards the exit, towards the end of Highway 6. That's where we see these pinks here indicating very high velocity. This is likely a tornado on the ground doing damage. We have not had any reports of that yet, but nonetheless, this is a very tight couplet that we're watching here as this system continues to move out of here. Again, looking at Rome, you want to be in your safe place. Folks in Mossville, get to the basement right now. If you can't get to the basement, go to the bathroom. Make sure you put the mattress on top of you, maybe a helmet and some shoes. Do everything you can do to protect yourself from the outside world. With the weather that we have coming through the area today, we are really going to be dealing with this for several hours. Let's go ahead and zoom this out once again and put a track on this. Again, very dangerous storm moving off to the northeast. So folks in Spring Bay, you want to be in your safe place right now. It's going to be moving off to the north. So moving off to the north at about 35 miles per hour for those folks there. So that's going to put into, again, Mossville, it's basically on top of you right now. Get to your safe place. Folks in Spring Bay by about the 4:08 time frame. Washburn, it's going to take a little while to get to you in Washburn. That's going to move into your area by about 4:31 and into the LaRose area by about the 4:40 time and into Varna by about 4:45 or so. So let's go ahead